correr. Correr means to move. Sometimes it means to move. Oh, by the way, I'm live streaming. So if you want to ask questions, you can use the live chat. You can say hola, just like Bruce is saying. Buenas tardes, Bruce. How's it going? I hope everything is great. ¿Cómo estás? Espero que todo esté muy bien. The only thing, if you want to use the live chat, you need to be a subscriber. Okay? It's different. Members and subscribers are different. Okay? Subscribing is for free. Members, they support the channel by buying a membership. Anyways, so if you want to use the live chat, you need to be a subscriber. Excellent. So the first meaning, correr, also means to move. Correr means to move, not only to run, okay? But we're talking about moving things, okay? It could be also people moving. It's similar-ish to the Spanish verb mover. Mover means to move. It's a more literal translation of to move. Mover. But correr sometimes can be used as well. For example, corre la mesa para tener más espacio. Corre la mesa para tener más espacio. Mesa. Mesa means table. Corre la mesa. Run the table? No, I don't think so. The meaning is... The meaning... excuse me. The meaning is move the table to have more space. Move the table to have more space. That's what it means. Corre la mesa. Okay? So if you are with your family and you want to do certain activity and you need some space for it, like Pictionary and whatnot, maybe, or if you're with your friends, of course, because your family probably speaks other language, other different language, not Spanish. But if you're with friends and your friends say, hey, corre la mesa para tener más espacio. So that means you need to move the table, or you should move the table to have more space. Okay, so that is peculiar for sure. That is interesting. Let's break this down. Corre. Just one sec. Corre. Corre in this situation means move. Corre. Okay? If you use it by itself, it also means something else that we'll talk about that in a few more minutes. But we're gonna focus on this meaning first, okay? To move. Corre, move, la mesa, the table, okay? Para, to, tener, have, más, more, espacio, space, more room, okay? Corre la mesa para tener más espacio, okay? So if you want to use a different verb other than mover in Spanish, you can use correr, okay? But it's more like you're just moving things around, okay? Because you need more space, because you need to, get closer to someone, okay? We'll see an example about that. So it's not as common as mover, but people can say this, okay? Correr can sometimes mean to move. Now let's look at the next example. I mean, it's a common verb, and some people say this a lot, for sure. The next example is corre la silla cerca de mí. Corre la silla cerca de mí. Okay? Corre la silla cerca de mí. Okay? It's curious that you're using this verb almost like you're, commanding to do something. But I mean, it's not impolite. You can use it just to say, hey, like just move something because we need this or that, right? Okay, this means move the chair close or closer to me. Okay, so that happens sometimes. You want to be closer to someone, or the person wants to be close to you, so you can say, hey, move the chair closer. Okay, so that's something common, for sure. That's a common thing. So corre, again, similar to this one right here. Corre, move. Okay, la silla, the chair, la silla. La mesa, the table, la silla, the chair. Okay. Cerca. Cerca means close. Okay. Cerca, close. De mí, to me. Okay. I know too, this word, if you translate it, is a, but remember that Spanish is a different language. So to me, sometimes a mí works. A mí, it depends on the situation. But de mí, corre la silla cerca de mí, makes sense when you're using it in this situation, when you need to move something close to or far from someone. In this situation, me means, oh, my arrow, oh my God. Me means me. Me means me. So that's an easy one to remember. Just remember the spelling is completely different, and you need an accent mark on top of the letter I, because if you don't have it, it means my. Mi libro, my book, without the accent mark. With the accent mark, it means me. Me. Okay. So that's quite good, quite interesting, and important to remember, so you know the differences. Okay, correr means to move. It's similar to the verb to move. Correr obviously means to run. That's the main meaning of correr. But in some situations, it means to move. Corre la mesa, corre la silla, and so on, okay? Usually you're asking people to move things because you need something like space, room, or because you want the person to be closer to you, okay? Or whatever reason. Maybe you need to put something else instead of having something there. So you can use this for sure, this verb for that particular situation.